How to enable display over other apps on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to enable display over other apps on Android device. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. To do that, you simply need to head towards the settings on your device. Tap to open it. Now you have to access apps. Scroll down. Tap on it. Now choose App Management and make sure that application has been loaded. From this page, you simply need to find and select the application you want to enable this feature. For example, WhatsApp. Tap to access App Info section. Now simply select Permissions option and now scroll down and look for the option of Display over other application. If you don't see it here, you can easily scroll down and look for the Special App Access. From this app section, now you need to tap Display over other application, and these are the application where we can easily allow display over other application due to its built-in feature. So let's tap on YouTube and you need to make sure that you toggle the button on, and in this way you can easily enable display over other applications on Android device. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.